Ladies and gentlemen, the Mercedes-AMG Project ONE.
The presentation of the hypercar today of our Project ONE here on stage was the milestone of the 50th anniversary year of AMG. We're very successful, but we want to define the future of performance in the automotive sector. We had always the demand that when AMG brings a hypercar to customers, it should be something different. And in that car we have the full Formula One setup in combination with 2 additional electric motors at the front axle. So this is the most efficient hypercar you can get. This is the benchmark